friends, it's Miss Erin, and today we are going to listen to some sounds. We have a new study, and do you know what that study is? That's right, it's pets. So we're going to listen and see if we know what kind of pet this is. All right, listen. Hmm, what pet do you think this might be? That's right, it's a dog. A dog barks like arf, arf. What about this one? Hmm. What did that sound like to you? That's right, it's a bird. Birds can be pets too. What about this sound? What animal do you think that was? I know some of our friends have these at home. That's right, it's a cat. What about this sound? Some friends might have this if they live on a farm or something like that. What did that sound like to you? They're super big and you can ride them. That's right, it's a horse. Let's listen to this one. Let's see what animal this might be that maybe some of our friends have at home. Hmm. Do you have any guesses what that might be? That is a sound of a hamster. Let's see if we know what sound this animal or pet would make. What pet might this be? This is a goat, and goats are on farms. What about this sound? Do you have any guesses what that might be? That's right, it is a rabbit. Here's our last sound. Let's see if we know what animal this might be. This is another animal that might live on a farm. Hmm. What animal is that? It makes the moo sound. That's right. It is a cow. Cows live on farms, but they also can be pets. If you can think of any other pets that you might know and know the sound, let us know and we would love to hear from you. I hope that you are doing well and we wish you well. We'll see you soon. Bye, friends.